It is time to say goodbye to the Kia Forte and hello to the K4, the newest member to the Kia family. Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce to you the 2025 Kia K4. The front end of the K4 looks insanely good. It looks similar to the K5, wider than the Kia Forte. We have full LED headlights, amber air running lights. That's going to be the new signature for the Kia family. The hood looks very nice and simple. We only got two lines over here, the Kia logo, and we have blacked out grille in the front. The side profile of this car looks absolutely insane as well. I love the side profile. You got some 18-inch wheels front and back with a really cool design, and it looks sporty. And the back design of this car still looks very sporty. I see a lot of similarities to the K5. We do have full LED taillights over here. The Kia logo, K4 is going to be said right there, just like the Sportage. This is going to be the Verse lights on the bottom. This back design looks very interesting, and I just noticed right here we do have a split wings over here for better aerodynamics. Let's check out the space. I noticed a wide opening than the Kia Forte, so you can definitely fit a little bit more stuff. Size-wise, I think the space is very similar, but now you do have spare tires on the EX trim levels. Pretty cool. Oh, and you can definitely get the seats down as well for more storage. I'm so excited to show you the back of the car. So you put the handle like this, easy to open. The door design looks pretty cool. We do have cloth on here. We have some leather handrest over here as well. On the EX, we're gonna have the cloth interior as well. This is gonna be the premium cloth, so it definitely is thicker than the one on the LSX. Talking about space. Space-wise, I think it's pretty cool to have a really good amount of legroom, headroom as well. And sorry about the plastic bags, I couldn't wait until the car gets ready. I'm so excited to show you this vehicle right here. No AC venting, but we do have two USB-C chargers over here. And the car, like I said, is definitely wider than a Forte. Okay, let me show you the front seats. This driver seat and passenger seat is going to be manually adjusted. Sorry about the plastic bags. And we're going to go here to show you. Oh, that's a really good feeling. The steering wheel is square, just like the one in the EV9. It looks absolutely amazing. I really do love this new design. It's pretty cool. We do have the drive mode now available on the steering wheel. So far, we do have sport and normal modes only. This is going to be all your adaptive cruise control buttons. This is going to be all your menu buttons. And let's hear the horn. Got the new Kia logo over here as well. And it has the giant screen with touchscreen available with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wireless connecting. And unlike the Sporty screen, the section that actually separates the digital dash from the infotainment system is actually filled up with a smaller screen that can control your AC. Let's check out the backup camera. The backup camera of the K4 looks absolutely amazing, and I love the trajectory lines. This section right here reminds me of an EV9. Knob button sounds pretty cool. And all of the buttons, the shortcut buttons right here, have a really good feeling. So it's high quality. It's gonna be your AC controls just like the EV9. Pretty cool. We have wireless charger, USB-C chargers here, and a 12V charger. Start to push button, and the gear shift is definitely from the Sorento or the K5. That looks pretty cool. We have auto hold, shortcut to the backup camera, and your cup holders is available here as well. We have small storage that you can store your camera, gears, and whatnot. Overall, the interior of the K4 is definitely way better than before. Feels like a high quality vehicle, and is definitely different than all of the compact sedans that you see out there. The technology is here. It looks very modern. I love the feeling of the steering wheel. The feeling of the premium cloth is definitely different. It's thicker, it's softer, it has more cushion for the pushing. It's a nicer interior. Now that we got that covered, let's talk about powertrain and price. Sticker price from the factory of the K4 EX, we're looking at $25,149 of the specific one. I am going to be showing you all the options that comes with it, and you feel free to stop at any moment. I love the MPGs, definitely still similar to the Forte, so 39 highway, 29 city, 33 combined. For the powertrain, we have a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine that is hooked to an intelligent variable automatic transmission. In my opinion, the K4 might be the best compact sedan you could buy in the market for the money. You have a really cool and modern exterior design, high quality interior with a bigger screen, and at a budget of $26,000. Is it better than the Toyota Corolla? Let me know what you think down in the comment section. This was my review on the K4, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace out.